Hi, everybody. Welcome to Science. Today is Thursday, and this is day 17 of 21 of incubation. So we're going to talk about a few things first, and then I'm going to show you some things, okay? The first thing I want to talk to you about is that it is day 17. Look up here at this picture right here. This is what it looks like inside of the eggs right now. All the yellow stuff is the yolk. And what are these red things again? Those are blood vessels, that's right. And they're taking all the nutrients to the baby chick to feed it right now. Now, if you look close, you can see this shape right here. That's the baby chick underneath the yolk. This, I think, is his beak. This is his eye, and he's pointed towards that air sac down here. Remember, that's where he's going to start breathing when we take the turner out, which is going to be tomorrow, day 18. Now, let's see what it says about day 17. It says, "Good morning. We have completed 17 days and only have 4 more to go. In 4 days, we will have baby chickens. The beak under the wing points to the air cell." That's what we were just talking about. The air cell is getting longer. It won't be long now. So the air cell gets longer so that the chick has more air to breathe when it's trying to get ready to hatch. Now, let's look at the inside of the plastic egg for day 17. So if you look right here, you can see the feathers are getting longer, more developed. The feet, the head, the beak, everything has more details because that baby chick is so close. 4 more days and it will be ready to come out. I can't wait to show you when the baby chicks hatch. So that's what's going on day 17. Now, I have my assistant here, Sammy. She is going to help me, and we are going to show you some things that are in the brooder box that we're going to need when these chickens hatch. So I'm going to have her hand me things, and we are going to talk about them one by one. Hold on one second, though, so I can, I'm going to see if I can make this bigger so you can see me. Let's see. I don't think I can right now. I think we're just going to have to do it like this. So it's going to be small down here. I don't think I can make myself bigger. Oh, I can. Look at that. Kind of. Well, that's bigger. So I'll be right here in the middle so you guys can see everything. All right, Sammy, can you go ahead? The first thing I want you to do is give me the lamp. We're going to talk about all the things these babies need to grow. Sorry. It's okay. All right, so this is the heat lamp. Okay, do you see this? This is a light right here, and it looks red because it's going to make a reddish light. This clips to the side of the box, and this will shine down on the baby chickens, and this will keep them warm. They still need heat. Now, not the same kind of heat as the mommy sitting on the eggs, but still they get cold very easily. So this light will stay on all day and all night to keep the chicks warm. So that's one thing our chickens need. They still need to have heat. So remember that. They still need heat. All right, Sammy, you can put that back. Now, can you please hand me the chicken food? Okay, so this is our container of chicken food. I told you that in the wild or on the farm, grown-up chickens will eat bugs, but our chickens aren't going to be able to eat bugs yet. They're babies. They're going to eat this special corn grain chick food right here that is easy for them to peck and easy for them to eat right now. So you can kind of look inside. Kind of looks like dirt, but it's not. It's chick food. Okay? All right, put this back. And now can you hand me the feeding thing and the water thing? Okay. Yep. Both of them? Yeah, both of them. All right. So the next things we have. So for the food, this is what the food goes in. So you fill this up with the food and you kind of twist it in and the food will come out in these little holes. And that way the chicks can walk up and all eat at the same time. One chicken at each hole. And that's how they'll get their food. There you go. This one is for what? What else do animals need? They need food and Water. So they have to have water too, not just food, just like us. So this thing right here will fill up with water, and I'll twist it like this. And when we flip it over, the water comes out this little hole right here, and the chickens can walk up and get some water because they need water. Do you remember what the lady said the day she came to our room and taught us about chickens? She said that I'm actually going to have to show the chickens how to eat and drink. They won't know to do that yet. Usually their mommy would show them. They don't have a mommy, so I actually have to take their little beaks and dip it in the water a few times and show them where the water is and how to drink so that they remember, ooh, that water tastes good. I want to go back to the water. And we do that with the food too. So they need food, they need water, and they need heat. Those are important things that these chicks need right now. Here you go. Put that back, Sammy. Okay. And can you hand me the bag of wood chips? It's okay. Watch out for the incubator. All right. So we have this bag of wood chips in here and a Domino's bag. All right. So inside the bag, here's what the wood chips look like. Like this. They're little pieces of wood chips. That's going to go in the bottom of the brooder box for the chickens to walk on. It makes it easier for them to learn how to walk, and also they're gonna go to the bathroom. So they're gonna poo and they're gonna go to the bathroom, and the wood chips helps absorb all that and keep it from getting stinky. So we have wood chips. That's important for them. So we've talked about all the things that the chickens need right now. No, that's just cleaner for afterwards. Ow. So that's the things that are in the brooder box. We will get the brooder box all set up and this weekend so that if any chicks hatch early, they'll have a place to go. And I will take videos and we will show you what's going on with the chickens. If I'm able to see one hatching, I'll record that and you can watch it coming out of the shell. And remember, we have 14 right now, but not all of them might hatch. Sometimes there's a chick that's just not developed right, it's not healthy, and it might not hatch, and we can't help it. We're not allowed to do that. That's not how nature works. So we can't help the chicken out of the shell. But we'll have to see what healthy chickens we have on Monday. All right. I think that's all for our lesson today. We're not doing anything in our chick journals today. We're not doing anything in our chick journals. If you look, the other ones we're going to do are going to be after the chicks hatch. There's one about what chickens have and can do and what they are. And then we have a speech bubble that says, what would the baby chick say after it hatches? So we can't do that one until it hatches. And then the next page is draw the chicks in the brooder box. And we don't have any chickens in the brooder box yet, so we can't draw that. Once I do that, I will have you guys do those pages. But great job, everyone, on your science so far. I know you're learning so much about chickens. And I'll see you tomorrow for day 18. And we can talk some more about what's happening inside the chickens. Bye. Good job.